Riding an e-scooter is like ordering a pizza. It's very simple, but you might still mess it up. If you don't want to be like one of those that end up like an online meme, here is the proper way to ride an electric scooter for the first time. And today, we'll be using the X7 Pro to show you how to get started on an electric scooter. First, know your e-scooter before the first ride. Take a good look at the user manual to know what buttons you will be using, what they do, and where they are. Find an empty space so you won't get tripped up by any rocks. But wait, let's rewind. Definitely make sure to wear proper safety gear such as a helmet. Also, look into some good elbow and knee pads. So even if you trip, it's no big deal. Just take that L like a champ and keep on practicing. Put your leading foot on the board and make sure the kickstand is folded up. Turn the power on. Give it a kickstart and land your other foot comfortably on the deck once you're stable. But remember, push down on the throttle slowly as you begin to move. Now, for example, this X7 Pro here has 3 different modes, but you want to go directly to that third mode and enjoy all of that sweet power. But you know what they say, you gotta ride a few ponies before you can run with the bulls.
Stop it.
Practice riding your e-scooter on the Eco mode. Once you're a bit more capable, then try the Comfort or Sport mode to kick it up a notch until it reaches the top speed of 20 miles per hour. Now you know how to get the e-scooter going. It's time for you to learn how to stop. It sounds simple enough, just hold the handbrake and the e-scooter will stop. But the key here is to manage your distance and the time needed to stop. The X7 Pro has a triple braking system that can get you to a complete stop when going full speed in just 16.4 feet. However, that doesn't mean you should only brake when there's a hard wall that's exactly 16.4 feet right in front of you. Use the brake early and gently so you will get that smooth riding experience. Now you have all the key points on how to ride an e-scooter. So go on, get out there, grab your scooter, and have some fun. Thanks for watching.